Hello, Mr. Ed here. Today is the 26th of July, 2016. And you're right, that's not a beehive we're looking at. It's the Arch Abbey Chapel of St Meinrad here in Indiana. Last couple of days I've been up here. Actually, we've been checking out the coffin business up here. But up here, they also have bees. And this is a real monk on a kimono going by us right now. And today, we're actually going to be talking to a brother Simon, who is the beekeeper here at St Meinrad. And so we're going to go take a walk over to the hives and see the little operation that they have up here. So let's take a little walk and see what we got. And these are beautiful grounds. Let me give you a little panoramic shot of what we got. This is their guest retreat house is right there. Come past the chapel. And then we head into the seminary right here. There's a library down there. Across and down the little hill and across the way. That's where they keep the bees. So that's where we're going to be headed. Brother Simon ought to be coming over here any minute now. As soon as he does, we'll head over there. And so here comes our young monk right now, Brother Simon. Yeah, he doesn't have his habit on, so you think he's just a regular guy, just like me and you. But he's a special guy. He's a monk, Benedictine monk here at St Meinrad. So we're going to go walk over to the bees and see what he's got over there. Let's check it out. So that middle hive doesn't look so good.
That's the one I had to replace the queen.
So how long ago did you replace the queen in this one?
About maybe a month ago.
Okay. Do you you run excluders between the boxes?
I don't.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Your plan is you run 2 deeps for the brood boxes.
Yeah.
And then after that the honey supers.
Yep.
What about your winters up here? How are the winters?
Last year was pretty mild. Surprisingly mild. And for the most part they're pretty mild, but sometimes we have some pretty cold streaks.
I like that you have concrete underneath. That's pretty slick.
You know, like I said, I'm very blessed and fortunate that this was all just kind of set up, and I just really kind of did a lot of reading. And
you're going to open up this one?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got in here. So what's the reason why you jack up the back?
I've heard from a couple people just to keep it vented. So I have bricks in both these ones, and then the piece of wood here.
Those are just little ants.
Yeah. So.
You want to pull the top off?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got. They look pretty interesting. So let's see if they got any beetles on there. I don't see any. Oh.
They're pretty happy tonight.
That was a little charge up.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's not a lot of bees up in the top.
No. Is that a beetle?
I didn't see it.
Just went back in.
A little black thing.
Yeah. Normally I wear long sleeves underneath this too, just in case, but it's alright.
So this one was just requeened?
Yeah, and just last week I put this second brood box on top.
Oh.
So that's probably why it's a little bit...
Yeah, but they're up there.
Yeah.
That's a good thing. So how long you been keeping bees?
About a year. A little more than a year.
And have you gotten any instruction?
Really just a little bit from our Father Anthony.
Uh-huh.
And then really just kind of by trial and error and some videos and...
Hey, there's a lot to be said about videos.
That's right. I heard somebody has several.
Yeah. So in Indiana right now, I mean, I still see, flowers on the squash and so I mean, it's we're down by us. It's finished.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, I see green tomatoes over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're finished our tomatoes. They're done. Everything is done. It's played out already. And here yours are almost like just starting. Huh?
Yeah, which is a good thing. I've heard around here to pull off the honey the 1st of September, but I mean, I could probably wait.
So do you have honey in those honey boxes?
Yes. Yeah.
Here, let's close this one up.
Sure.
Let's go look.
It's over here. I probably should have tucked my suit in. I could regret that.
I think you'll be all right. I mean, this time of evening, it's almost like 7:45 right now.
Yeah.
So you got almost all the bees are back in the box. You know, generally it's not the time to.
It is or is not a good time.
Yeah. Well, at least it's not overcast and raining. So there's quite a few of them clustered up on the front. So it's generally there's not a flow going on. Or it's just hot and they want to hang out. So you smoke your bees?
A little bit, but I probably will when I go to get honey for sure.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Like that. Did they get you? We're making a lot of friends tonight.
Yeah, it would definitely help for a smoke. Smoke definitely helps that.
I still hear a few of them.
Yeah, they're still on. I see 2 of them on you.
It's a good sign though that they're active. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, but we like them better just to stay in their box.
That's true. Like I said, I might have regretted not tucking my suit in. So far, so good.
Well, let's go ahead and close it up because it's if you don't have any smoke, I wouldn't pull out a frame.
Yeah.
Because they are. Let me get a little closer. Let's see if
I can go get some smoke.
I just want to see what we got up here. Yeah, they still haven't drawn it out, but they're up working on it. There's bees up there, and like I said, you guys are early. I mean, you still got a long way to go as far as your flowers go. Well, as the sun is setting on a beautiful evening here at St Meinrad, you got the beehives in the background. We're gonna close up this little video. So thanks for watching. Keep on watching, and I'll be making more. God bless. Mr. Ed. Tomorrow morning, I'm headed back to St. Joseph, and I'm out of here. Good night.